Welcome students in a topic reflection. Here in this picture you can see here is reflection of the scenery in water. In this picture you can see the reflection in mirror. Reflection may be of two kinds, water image and mirror image. At first we will understand what is mirror image. Here I am taking examples of alphabet. Let us take letter F. It is letter F. I am putting one mirror in front of letter F. Now see the mirror image of F. How it is. It is a mirror image of F. Now just observe this mirror image and the original image, that is letter F. You know there are four parts of any image: top part, bottom part, left part and right part. When mirror image is formed, then top and bottom part remain same and left part becomes the right part and right part becomes the left part. Now let us take one more example, that is letter W, and here is a mirror. Now just observe the mirror image. But what is this? The image is just like the original image. Here top and bottom part is same, but for this particular letter W, left and right parts are also same. So there are few letters whose mirror image is just like the original image. Just find out few letters by yourself. Now let us understand water image. Again I am taking a letter F. Now I will see the image in water. See what happened? You know that any image has top part, bottom part, left part and right part. Just observe what will happen when there is water image. See, like this. It means left and right part remains same in water image, but the top part becomes the bottom part and bottom part becomes the top part in water image. Let us see what happened with letter W. Here is water and in this also just observe top, bottom and left and right part of W. It is like that. Here also left and right part becomes same, but top and bottom part changes. So here top part becomes the bottom part and bottom part becomes the top part. So these are the water images. Therefore, we can say that mirror image is a reflection where top and bottom remain same and left and right parts of image change. And water image is a reflection where left and right remain same and top and bottom parts of image change. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.